In this video, we'll show you how to get started with checking profiles in Acrolinx. You can use checking profiles to centrally manage the settings that are used in the sidebar. If you don't see checking profiles on your dashboard, they probably haven't been enabled in your system yet. When checking profiles are enabled for the first time, you have one checking profile for each writing guide. For each checking profile, you can choose the guidance settings you want to use: language, target audience type for the tone of voice, writing guide, term sets, and if you're using an older classic plugin, the central extraction settings. You can also choose what the checking settings should be, that is, which settings should be included when a user runs a check. In general, we recommend leaving out the settings, valid terms, and new terms. Those options show all the terms that are okay to use or all the words that could be terms but aren't in the terminology yet. Those often aren't interesting for writers who are checking their content for quality. Instead, you can consider enabling those options in a separate checking profile that's used by administrators. By default, all users can see all the available checking profiles as guidance profiles in the sidebar. In profile assignment, you can set a specific profile as the default by marking it with a gold star. You can also add a new assignment for a specific group of users. If you have a checking profile that's only meant for admins, you can select that profile, choose which Acrolinx roles should see it, and click Apply All Changes. Only people with that Acrolinx role are able to see and use this checking profile. You can find more information about assigning profiles in our Help Center. Now you can directly manage the settings every user has in their guidance profiles in the sidebar. More information about checking profiles, including how to activate them, is available at docs.acrolinx.com.